Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get capes in Tluncher, so let's start the videos. All version link in description. Copy this file. Open file location. Go to mods folder and paste this file. Open Tluncher. Use Forge or Forge Optifine versions. Enter the game. How to change cape. This website link in description. Copy image address, don't copy link address. Press V to change cape. Press center plus V for paste. Click on set cape URL. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.